Now what we are going to hear from Tonton, who is not a fire, he's a rocket. You know, that's what I call him. The topic is which every one of us are having problem. You see, in DXN business, it is not what you become a diamond or you become a ruby or a crown diamond or whatever. The thing is, the number of people that you have with you, they buy the product. When they buy the product, you got more people, the points move. With the points movement, your check moves. I mean, I'm sure everybody is not caring about what level they are. They're looking at the check, whether it is 500 or 50,000. That is the most important thing. The topic is prospecting skills, techniques, and methods for successful network marketing in DXN business. This is the most important topic. If you don't have people in your organization, you are nothing. You might be the best gynotherapist, you might be a doctor and whatever, degree in network marketing, but you don't know how to prospect, what to say, where to say, how much to say, whom to say. So it is the most important topic, and without which you cannot prosper. All right, Tonton, let's see the rocket being fired from the back.
Anyway, actually, are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you learning?
Yes.
Yeah. Me, I'm learning a lot. So, what happened, folks, is this training. My God, this is one of the best training that I attended in my career, and you are so lucky that you get the best leader. So what you do, folks, is use this one. Okay, knowledge without action is useless. Do you know that? So all you have to do, whatever we say there, just do it. Okay. Now remember, folks, that people ask me, Jaton, if we have the knowledge, can we be successful? Remember that knowledge is just like a tool. Do you believe me?
Yes.
Yeah. Like money. Money is just like a tool. Okay? So, you give the knowledge to a lazy person, what happened? He will still be lazy, right? So, all you have to do is focus on this one. So, now, I have never continued my promise to you that I'll be teaching you on how to sponsor people, right? And I'll finish you with the earnings on how to make 10,000, 12,000, and I'll give you the secret with that, okay? But before I'd like to do that, I'll just want to emphasize, Dr. Ratna, that in this business, you have to focus, believe me. If you want to be successful, stick to one company. Because I'll give you an example. I've been in networking for 10 years already. And this is my second company. Okay, the other company. The problem with the other company, actually, I make a lot of money with the other company. I've been there for 7 years, but the product is so expensive. I mean, you know, have you been to other networking company? Yeah. And the reason why I transferred DXN, because DXN is the only networking company that is very affordable. Can you please give a round of applause? Simple products, affordable products. I mean, usage system, very easy. Okay, our coffee, tea, soap, we're using that one every day, right? Not like other company that you have to create another market. Like I've been in a vitamin business for 8 years. Selling vitamins is not easy. Do you believe me? One product is 50, 100 US dollars. My sales when I was with that company is 1 million US dollars a month. Yeah. So I told to myself, go, what if I join DXN? But it took me 2 years to join DXN. You know why? Because there's about 100 companies that have been courting me. Yeah. That's the reason some people say, Ton, is this DXN a good company? This is the best company in the world. Can you please give a round of applause? Yeah. Imagine 2 years. I already, researched almost all company. Okay? So you don't have to do researching anymore. Okay? There will be a lot of companies coming next year, next 2 years, 3 years, especially binary company. Remember, folks, I'm one of the speakers in a binary system in America. No ever binary company that lasts 5 years. Just to give you a background about that. Yeah. And I talk about network marketing in America. What is the best plan? We have a lot of plans, party plans, binary, unilevel, multi-level, stair-step breakaway. And the plan of DXN is the most important plan, which is the longest, in fact, the oldest plan that is very successful. Yeah. So if some people will encourage you to join, oh, we will help you make money fast, or if you're a diamond, you come to our company, you will be diamond. If they're using that system, you better watch out. Did you get the idea? Yeah. Because they're just manipulating the system. Like me, I was the #1 networking distributor in the Philippines. All over the Philippines, all of the companies have been courting me. If you join our company, you will be the same position in what other company. But when I joined DXN, I asked Dr. Lim, good luck, if I join DXN, will I be diamond instantly? He said, no. You start 0. So, no ever other company have done that to me. Only DXN. That's the reason why my heart is with DXN. Can you please give a round of applause for DXN? So, remember folks, if you just stay focused, how many years are you with DXN? How many years?
5 years.
5 years? No, here, some people knew. 3, 2.
6 months.
You know how many years I've been in networking? 10 years. I'm still here. So never expect that it's a short-term business. Okay? Me, I've been with this business for 3 years. I still have 2 years because my goal here is 5 years I'm gonna retire. Okay? So next 2, 3 years from now, all I have to do is go out and just do training. Just like Professor. You know, Professor is already retired also. You don't want to earn more money anymore. In fact, he's enjoying doing the training, making money. Do you want that one? Yes. 2, 3, 5 years from now, you will be here in front of me. Yeah. And in the future, what we want is we will be the one who will just sit down and listen to you. Do you want that one? Yeah. Yes. So use this training properly. Go out, share this one to your friends, and imagine if we have about 150 here, if we can just touch 5 people here and just spread out, and they can touch 150. That's a lot.